morning. It's Friday today, and it's really windy outside, so I won't be able to vlog outside, so that's a bummer. Yeah, I need to take this one with me, so that's a bummer. Wait. Oh God. Every morning I does this. Every morning I have to sneeze, otherwise it will not be a great morning or whatever. Good luck kind of sneeze. Ah. Anyways, I am also busy with helping my mom to make an intro. I'm also helping my mom with the intro. And I need photos. Not old ones, but new ones. So, and this time I don't need to forget my... I'll get some euros in that one. This time I don't need to forget my wallet, because I forgot yesterday. And my cigarettes, because otherwise I don't smoke. So, it's time to go to work. Do I got everything out? Yes. Good. Vlog is uploading. I have downloaded Video Wavepad. Don't know what that's going to bring, but I need to ask. It smells so good here. It smells like fragrance. You know what the most beautiful aspect of the city where I live in is? It's the most beautiful aspect. Hey guys, I have to tell you guys something, but I need someone to skip. So Straps, if you watch my video, skip, because it's a surprise for you. I will put the number behind it where you need to skip. Has he done it yet? So, anyways, so I'm cooking up a plan with the Runner Monster because I want to surprise Strap. I want to go to Amersfoort for a day, and I'm probably going to do that in a weekend before my birthday. Sooner, but I still need to save a lot of money, so I want to play safe that I got the money, because if I got something to count with, I need also 6 euros for the drive back with the bus, so I didn't count that. I think it's going to be in the second week of May that I'll be going to Straps before my birthday, and I'm going to get something to drink and that kind of stuff. So it's gonna be freaking awesome. I'm also gonna tell Straps like, okay, next month is gonna be my birthday and I really want to celebrate it with you, but after or considering the fact that you will not be able to come here, maybe I will come to you, I don't know. It depends on if I save money, yes or no. And then I'm gonna play Sneak. I'm gonna tell Straps the day before that I'm not able to come and that it didn't work with saving money. So, and then you know the rest of what we'll do. It's gonna be fun, and it's almost weekend. I have to work until 12 o'clock. So we'll see you guys later. Bye.